Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Adiola, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I received the new Anastasia Beverly Hills electric cake liners, so we're going to be giving that a go today. We also received the new palette as well, so we're going to be giving that a go. I feel like we don't need a review on the palette per se, but we probably will need a review on this, on the liners. Yeah, so we're going to be testing out the liners and putting that to the test. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching, guys. I thought we would start off with the electric cake liners. On the pamphlet it says a trio of water activated cake liner shades with vivid opaque colour and versatile application. I've opened it already because I really wanted to have a look at what they would look like, and they are very, very similar to the Suva Beauty eyeliners. It's the same sort of activation or technique that you use for these. So what you do, you actually have to activate it with a bit of water. With the Suva Beauty ones, I actually spray a little bit of water in them first and then like sort of swirl my brush in and then apply it to the eyes. But this is so cool because look how cute that is. Look, oh my gosh, are you being serious? Like, are you joking? Like, look, that is so cute, man. So in this little trio we have the shades electric pink, electric yellow and electric lime. In this little trio we have electric orange, opaque, what is it? Opaque what? Oh my god, I can't read opaque. Wow. Do I need to go back to school? No. I'm like opaque. It says opaque, bitch. Like, what the hell? Anyway, yeah, so opaque white and electric purple. I feel like the packaging is like super cute, man. Like, are you being serious? Who's ever done this before? No one. Very innovative. So on the pamphlet here, I'm just going to read out what it says, just so we've all got a better idea of what they do. So the electric cake liner by Anastasia Beverly Hills is a trio of water activated cake makeup loaded with vivid opaque colour for pro quality face and body painting. These high definition glycerin based paints deliver long wearing intense colour that packs a punch. Simply moisten a brush or sponge, dip into the colour and apply for a versatile amount of looks, from fine detailed lines to full body art. Available in 2 different colour sets. Okay, so that's interesting. Right, so we also have a new palette. So this is another Norvina palette, and this is the volume 4. I really like this pink packaging, to be honest. Like, I'm not even a big fan of pink, but this is super cute. I can't lie. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna get rid of that, sorry. Oh, this is so cute, right? Really nice. Really, really nice. I really like this. How lovely. Let's get started on doing this look. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And I'm just popping some on my eyelid. Okay, so now that we've got our base on, let's jump right into the palette. I think I'm going to do something really bright and really like neon. I'm going to go in with the shade B3 first. So I'm taking that shade B3 on a Morphe M504 brush, and I'm just sweeping that just below my brow bone. This is going to be our lovely transition shade. That is a really nice transition shade actually. Perfect for my skin tone. So I'm just dragging it out a little bit as well. Brilliant. So now that we've got that laid down, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shade B5. It's really, really cool tone. It's like a really, really, I don't know how to describe it. It almost looks a bit grey, but it's got like a tinge of brown in it. But I'm just going to put that below here, just below the transition shade. Oh, that's very pigmented. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented. Wow. Ooh, okay. Okay. I really like the formula of these palettes. Volume 3 is literally like my favourite out of all, well, 4 now. I'm gonna mix the shades E4 and B5 together. I'm just adding a bit more definition into that crease and then bringing it out as well. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so nice. These 3 colours blended in together looks Right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the green, yellow and pink trio, and I really wanna use this yellow shade. I wanna put that on my lid. I can't be bothered to go and get some water, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it a little bit with the Dewy Set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. No, what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna spray this Morphe M443 brush, and I'm gonna sort of, ooh, yes, that's interesting. So yes, it's gone like really paste-like as well. It's quite thick. I like it. So I'm just picking up some on that brush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap it onto the lid. Might need a bit more water actually. Ooh, that is very vivid, very bright. That, look at that. So I'm just tapping it onto the lid, but I'm not blending it up yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab another brush. So this is the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just gonna blend that just upwards. I'm just going back and forth with that shade. Do you know what I think I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna take that shade D2 with the M441 brush. I'm gonna use that to sort of blend the shades in together. I'm gonna set it with it as well actually. And then what I'm gonna do actually to make it even more brighter, I'm gonna take a neon pigment. I'm not actually sure where I got this from, I can't remember. I think it might have been eBay, but I'll link it down below anyway. I'm just gonna press that on top just to make it even more brighter, because I feel like it is crumbling a little bit. I'm not sure if I've actually used this properly, but move. So I've just gone over again with the ABH liner. This isn't working. Yeah, so do you know what? I fucked up. So do you know what? I'm actually gonna leave this in the video just to show you guys that it doesn't always work out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wipe this off and then do something different, because yeah, this isn't working. So I'm back. That was a disaster. I feel like I want to take this shade here, this E5 shade here, down here, this really bright pink shade. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that on my lid. Ooh, now that is what I am talking about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Sorry, to apply that I'm using the MAC 217, but this is the old one, it's not the S1. But guys, can we just take a look at this shade please? That is insane. Wow. To help blend that in a bit more, I'm gonna take the shade C2. It's just a lighter version kind of that other one that I put on my lid. And I'm just blending the two shades in together here. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with that lid shade just to bring it back again, because it's gone. This shade is actually so beautiful. I'm in love. Perfect for like festival season. Nah, that's cute. So instead of using it for all over the lid, I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner. Yeah, this is definitely different to the Suva Beauty one. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a weird sort of jelly-like consistency. So I'm gonna use this as an eyeliner. Do you know what? I really don't know if I'm even using these correctly, but we move. This eyeliner is so interesting, honestly. Like the consistency is very interesting. I think I'm gonna take the shade A2, just this one here, and I'll pop that in my inner corner. Cute or whatever. And I'll pop some lashes on. So the lashes I'm gonna use are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the style Fashion. So I'm just gonna blend my lashes in a bit more of the mascara. I think I'm actually quite happy with that eye. Let's have a little recap, shall we? The palette, absolutely love. I knew I was gonna love this as soon as I saw it, to be honest. I feel like the shades are really nice. I don't have anything negative to say about the palette, to be fair. I'm very, very surprised at how much it shows up on my skin, so I'm really happy about that. All in all, I actually really do like this palette. It's a lovely palette. So moving on to the Electric Cake liners, it has got like a cake feel to it. It's quite spongy. However, I feel like I don't really know how to use them properly. I just hope the makeup police don't come for me. Yeah, it is a little bit out of my comfort zone. I feel like I need a bit more practice. I might just, you know, research a little bit more on that. But other than that, I like the colours. The colours are cute, and this whole thing is like a super cute concept. I can't even lie. It's so innovative. It's so cute. I know Anastasia Beverly Hills is a little bit on the pricier side, but I feel like this whole Norvina collection is actually really cute, to be fair. Like I said, this concept is so different, so cute, so cool. I'm gonna practice with this a little bit more, and then I'll get some more looks out for you. That concludes this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and maybe subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all, and have a great day, evening or morning, and also make sure you stay safe as well, guys. All right, take care. See you on my next video. Bye.